Welcome everybody to Medling World. Today I'm at Magic Kingdom Park and I'm going inside Storybook Circus to give you guys a little tour. So let's go on in and let's check it out. It's a pretty cool area for kids or adults too. Cool rides for, you know, for younger kids. Let me show you right here. You got the Dumbo, the flying elephants, which is real fun. I love it. But here's the flying elephants, and there's two sets, so they can keep the line moving really nicely. And these things are cool. One other cool thing about these is they're awesome. If you're here for a while, and one night you want to kind of go on these during the fireworks, you can see the fireworks from these. So it's pretty cool place to watch the fireworks. So before you go onto the Dumbo ride, when you get in the queue, they have this awesome playground you can stop in and you can hang out and play in here. So they got all these, like, you know, tunnel things and jungle gyms or whatever they call them. The little kids right in there. That's pretty cool because you can sit all around and watch your little toddler. And then as you leave, you go back out to the queue so that you can go on to the ride, which is really a neat option. So if you don't want to go on the ride, you leave here right through these double doors. It's pretty cool. So you can come right out.
Thank you.
You come right out and you're back outside. So that is the Barnstormer ride. That is like a goofy themed roller coaster right over there. And here you have the flying elephants. Jake decided, nah, he didn't really want to go on. He just wanted to go play on the playground. I'm gonna take you for a little walk over here to Big Top Souvenirs. This is like, you know, it's like a circus tent, right? And this has been closed for a while, so this just opened recently, at least since the last time I was here. And before, inside here, before it closed down during the pandemic, they had like treats like popcorns and candy apples and some different merchandise. So I want to go inside and see if anything's changed in here. Let's go check this out. And as you can see right here is where you walk in. And before there was a lot of like apparel here and hats and toys and stuff. Now it looks like it's a lot of sweet treats. So they have tables all set up. It looks like all of this stuff's back open. Oh, they have the slushies and they have cotton candy, regular bottled beverages, and yep, this is where you want to go. Oh, look at those Jack Skellington candy apples. Let me see if I can sneak in there and take a picture of that.
Here you go.
Look at those back here. Let's take a look at these guys up close. Big cookies. Really big cookies. Some of the candy apples. They're like works of art though, aren't they? Oh, now I think I found something I like. That might be, I'm not sure, that could be like a marshmallow type cookie. Maybe, with the sprinkles. And there's some fudge. Oh, they got a whole Rice Krispie type cake. So, definitely some good sweet treats in here. There's another really cool, it's a little rainy here today, guys, but this is like a little splash area. I'll show it to you. This had been closed for quite a while. I think it has been open though for a couple months now, but was closed for a bit during the pandemic. And now it's back open. This is really nice on a hot day to cool off. Whoa, I'm getting splashed over there. That guy's got me over there. Yeah. So I have been in here playing around with Jake for sure. So you can see it's really themed, real cool. I'm gonna take a chance and walk through. Let's see if I get blasted. Oh, he got me a little bit. And then we got some nice bathrooms here. And just let me show you here, there is, when the train is going again, it's the Fantasyland station. So the train that goes around the park, which is being refurbished now, does stop back here. So you can take the train from the Main Street entrance or back in Frontierland, and this is one of the stops. So pretty cool. And there's one other ride I want to show you guys. So this ride here is called the Barnstormer. It's kind of a goofy themed roller coaster, and he's kind of like on an old plane, right, flying around, but they're on the tracks of the roller coaster. It's pretty cool. It's pretty quick. I'd say it's under a minute, huh, to go through. What do you think, Jake? Is it under a minute long?
Yeah, it's under.
It's pretty quick. We're gonna go ahead and take a ride on it. Ready?
It's very clear.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this nice little tour of Storybook Circus here at Magic Kingdom, Walt Disney World. It's a lot of fun in here, especially for younger kids and big kids like me. Everybody can have fun here. So please remember, like and subscribe to Medling World. And last but not least, see ya!